Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about clamps. My quest for photography and improving the techniques has brought me to the topic of clamps. The topic of clamps is not as much discussed like cameras, tripods and other gadgets. So in my recent endeavors to create better types of lighting like soft lights, and in my recent endeavors to create soft lights, reflectors and all that, I had to look for some clamps. So today I would like to talk about clamps in photography. I've had the occasion to use 4 types of clamps recently, and this experience is the basis of this tutorial. I create do-it-yourself and tech videos. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel Madras Joint Replacement Center. My name is Dr. A.K. Venkatachalam and I am an orthopedic surgeon in Chennai. The break from work necessitated by the pandemic has given me an opportunity to delve into lights, photography and accessories for this purpose. Without much ado, let's delve in. I will talk about 4 clamps in this video. The first one is a mini super clamp. I have been using one of these clamps for a few years to mount LED lights, a boom pole and cameras. This is the one. It is a miniature version of the super clamp and serves the exact same functions. It comes with a spigot with a 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch threads. This can be clamped to a light stand, background frame, window and in many other places. A DSLR camera or the clamp for a mobile camera can be attached to it by means of the spigot. The only difference I found between this and the regular super clamp which I have recently procured is that the spigot can be tightened only by threading action and it can't be tightened further, which brings us naturally to the super clamp, the super daddy of all clamp. I have purchased it recently to mount a diffuser frame to a light stand. This is the one. The construction is of metal, but the handle to tighten the jaws is made up of plastic. There is a liner here in the jaws and this also appears to be some softer material than the metal. There is a spigot which comes with this, and like the mini super clamp, this also has got a 3/8 inch and a 1/4 inch thread. This spigot or stud is seated in a hole here in the side of the super clamp, and after being seated it can be tightened with this nut. Now the spigot is well seated and it won't come out. So I have used this clamp to clamp the aluminium frame of a light diffuser in conjunction with a swivel head clamp attached to the tip of the light stand. Here is a video of this in action. This is how this diffuser is held on 2 light stands. This is a light stand. At the upper end of the light stand I have screwed on a ball head or swivel head adapter. This ball has been turned forward and is attached to a super clamp here. The super clamp is holding on, is grasping this metallic frame. The super clamp is grasping the metallic frame of the diffuser in its jaws. The super clamp is a very versatile clamp and I intend to have more of these in my collection. The third clamp is this mini ball head or swivel clamp. It can be mounted at the top of a tripod or light stand. The ball head can be turned through 360 degrees, and after turning it to the desired position, the ball head is tightened like that and it won't move further. The top of the ball head has a 1/4 inch thread, and you can attach a camera to this 1/4 inch thread over here. Now suppose this is sitting on top of a light stand like that, and then you can attach a camera like that and do overhead photography. You can extend the reach of this, and then you can do overhead photography by using this mini ball head clamp. The fourth clamp the fourth type of clamp which I have are these A clamps. I have recently procured these. They have come in 4 sizes. This is the smallest one. The next one, and the largest one. This is a big jumbo A clamp. I can use this clamp to hold on to a light diffuser. I have made a light diffuser out of thermocol, and this would be ideal. It has got the ideal thickness and the grip to hold a diffuser onto its frame. One can also use this to clamp a softer diffuser to a frame or an overhead frame. These are quite the bigger version, the aluminum frame. The bigger version of this A clamp, I think, can grasp the aluminum frame of my diffuser, and it can be suspended somehow. I hope that this information was useful, as this topic is not covered much as much as lights, soft boxes, camera and other equipment. If you like this video, kindly consider subscribing to my channel, like it, share it, smash the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I upload more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Good premises.